The second thing which you should know is how to work with the existing PPT, because it may happen that you are supposed to work on the existing PPT. Like the PPT is already there and team said that out of the 50 slides, skip the first 10 slides and from the 11th slide till the last slide, 50th slide, go and change the data, go and overwrite the charts, whatever. So in that situation, you should be able to know how to work with the existing PowerPoints, right? So now let's go and talk about that thing. So I go and create a one more module here. So this module teaches us the PowerPoint creation, right? And this is all we are doing in the early binding method, remember. Because once you have created a early binding, you can just go and remove the dim statements with object. So we will do it later. So this is with the PowerPoint existing. Now how to open the existing PowerPoint? Let's see. This is what we are trying to do here. Open existing PowerPoint. So now to work with the existing PowerPoint, first you go and declare your object PowerPoint dot application, and then you write here set PPT equals to new PowerPoint dot application. Make the PPT visible equals to true, and now we will go and uh, say that PPT dot ppress presentation as PowerPoint dot presentation, and set my ppress equals to ppt dot presentations dot add. Now ppress dot ppt dot presentations dot open. This is what we use to open the presentation, right? PPT presentation dot open. So I can go and open the PowerPoint. Let's say, let me capture the path. Now, one thing you need to understand here is I have written this line, this line, basically this line. I have written this line dot presentation dot add. But guys, why you want to add the presentation? Think logically. Because existing PowerPoint will have everything, right? From the presentation to the slides to the shapes. It will have everything. So this line we should not use it. It's of no use to us. This you use when you want to work with the new presentation. But here we are trying to open from this PPT object, PowerPoint object, we are trying to open the existing presentation. So there's no point of adding the presentation here, right? So I can simply go and remove this. I will just go and open my PPT. So let's go and check that. This is like workbooks.open, like I was showing you. So this is my existing PPT. Simple. Now you know how to create the new PPT, how to work with the existing PPT. Like when you say workbooks.add, what happens? New workbook gets created. And when you say that workbook.open, existing workbook get open. This is how it is. So same way we know now how to open the existing PowerPoint and how to create a new PowerPoint.